factory of 441. So 441, it can be written as 3 times 147. 3 times 147 means 441. 147, it can be written as 3 times 49. 3 times 49 means 147. 49, it can be written as 7 times 7. 7 times 7 means 49. So now we select the prime numbers among these numbers. So prime numbers here is 3, 3, 7 and 7. So we can write 441 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is 3 times this 3 times this 7 times this 7. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.